take a close look at one of the rarest and most futuristic BMW motorcycles ever made, the Krauser Domani. Known for its radical design and engineering, this beautiful sidecar rig is powered by a turbocharged BMW K-series engine. Welcome to Andy with Airhead Boxer Spirit, and let's take a look at this awesome machine.
Caught behind Venetian blinds, out of reach for the city lights. This ain't where I belong. Hey, look at me, man, what I become. I've been running east, looking for a sunset, digging deep since '99. What I thought was gone was sitting in my pocket in plain sight all along. I think it's time for me to go, burn all bridges. All I know, I got lost along the way, fell between the foam, pulling stitches. Time to let go, so come what may. Don't look before you leave. What you give, you get to keep. So long, farewell, bye-bye. Let's have a toast for those lost old lives. And my crooked little heart that seems so rebellious is falling apart right now. I'm bleeding, an easy kid, gonna leave it all behind. I think it's time for me to go, burn all bridges. All I know, I got lost along the way, fell between the fold.
This extremely rare sidecar rig was on display at Todd from Boers during the 100th anniversary of BMW Motorrad. I have a few long-form videos of that event. Please check my channel, and there's also quite a bit of Airhead related content that you might be interested in. So please give me a like and a subscribe, and check out some of the other videos I have on my channel. Thank you so much.
Black, I don't know, black.